I wanted to show a quick behind the scenes editing Froggy pose. Those of you that do this know that baby is always supported. So you can see here I'm photographing just the upper part of her head to use in other pictures. And usually I get more angles. She wasn't really into this pose, so I tried to do it pretty quickly. I selected, these to work with. These are the finished images. I'm actually still going to do a little bit more work on it, but I used this I'll pull this up. I really just used this part of this image. The rest I kind of had in this image, so I just needed to get rid of his hand. I'm kind of thinking going forward I might do it differently and have baby held on this side and then the other side. I do this a lot where I end up with this shadow over here. It's a little bit hard to edit out, but isn't she adorable? Oh my gosh, she did such a great job. So then this was the finished image. I might have liked to get her arms a little bit straighter, but I still think it's just adorable. Took some of the red out of her feet. She didn't need a lot of retouching, but you can look at, let me pull these up pull these up together. I leave a wide crop too, just for printing. So this is the tighter crop finished. This is the wider crop. Like I said, I might still do a little finessing, like right here where that shadow was. There's a little something there. I always go through my images a couple of times. And this is the original. So you see the skin wasn't bad, but just some red spots. The feet were pretty red. And that's it. She really did an awesome job. I'm about halfway through culling this gallery and doing the preview edits. I don't retouch for the preview gallery. Let me show. Where's the... So here's another example just to show how I preview. So that's out of camera. I do have some basic things applied to it. And then this is what I'll send for the preview gallery. I won't go in and edit. You can see there's some jaundice, some red, some blotchy skin. Lots of little things that I would correct. So that's it. And of course, always be very safe with Froggy. I never force it. And then here's a cute little fallen Froggy. Definitely needs some editing, but adorable. Let me know if you have any questions.